Top 5 best new Tailwind CSS v4 features you need to know. Tailwind CSS just dropped version 4, and it's a massive upgrade. If you're still using version 3, you're missing out on serious performance boosts, new utilities, and game-changing features. Here are the top 5 best new features in Tailwind CSS v4. Feature number 1. Lightning-fast JIT engine. Tailwind's just-in-time engine was already fast, but version 4 takes it to another level. It now processes styles almost instantly, even in large projects. No more waiting for styles to compile. Everything updates in real time. They've also optimized class generation, meaning smaller CSS bundles with better performance. Faster development, less bloat. Feature number 2, color system overhaul. Tailwind has completely reworked its color system. The new palette is more refined, balanced, and accessible. There's also a new neutral color scale designed to work better with both light and dark mode. If you've ever struggled to get the right color combinations in Tailwind, version 4 makes it much easier. Feature number 3, dynamic breakpoints. No more being locked into small, medium, large, and extra large. Tailwind v4 introduces dynamic breakpoints, letting you define custom breakpoints without extra configuration. This makes it easier to target in-between screen sizes and create more precise, responsive designs. Feature number 4, smarter dark mode. Dark mode in Tailwind v4 is now more intuitive. It automatically adjusts based on user settings and allows for more customization. No more contrast issues when switching themes, and more flexibility in how dark mode styles are applied. Feature number 5, component-first architecture. Tailwind v4 is now more focused on a component-first workflow. The improved JIT engine and new utilities make building reusable components easier and more efficient. This streamlines the process of creating design systems, UI kits, and full applications without repetitive styling. Should you upgrade? Upgrading to Tailwind CSS v4 is a no-brainer. It's faster, more efficient, and packed with powerful new features. For more Tailwind tips and tutorials, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.